Hey everyone, Pat from Aeroflow Performance here, and today I'm going to walk you through our range of OEM bank shift attack shifters. So these shift handles effectively give you the option to replace your OEM shifter handle, so you don't have to have this in your cabin anymore. These new billet shifters are great for the enthusiast that basically wants the race style attack shifter style handle that we have here, but still retaining the OEM console, the OEM gearbox functionality. So all of those features can be retained, but you do get to dress up the cabin of your modern street car with these beautiful new billet pieces. So these beautiful billet units are fully customizable and they'll dress up the interior of your modern street or performance car really nicely. It's a simple operation to install, and as I mentioned, all of the factory features of your factory gearbox and shifter are retained. You just get this great looking billet unit with the attack shift lever to replace the button or whatever it is that you normally have on there. So we've got these to suit a range of modern vehicles, including Holden Commodores, both VT and VX, then VY and VZ, and also VE and VF. In addition to Holden Commodore, we also have Ford options, so the Ford Mustang from 2015 up, and Ford Falcon from BF to FG and FGX, when running the ZF 6-speed gearbox. Stick with us, we're going to go and show you one of these shifters in action in a vehicle. It's in a VE Commodore, so we'll show you how the function works, how that it dresses up the interior, and how simple it is to use. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're here inside a Holden VE Calais. This vehicle's fitted with 6-speed automatic from the factory, and we've got the bank shift OEM Attack unit installed into the factory console. So operation is exactly the same as the factory unit, except you've got this handle out the front rather than the button inside. So it's locked in park, the same as a factory unit would be. You pull the trigger, back to reverse, neutral drive. You've still got your functionality on your sport shift if your vehicle features that. Back across, you have the same functionality with the lockouts in the gears as well. So you can't go from neutral to reverse without using the button, the same with reverse to park. So it's very straightforward. The style suits the vehicle. Whether you've got a black interior, you can get a black version. You've got the silver, so either one. So the bank shift attack OEM range is available, as you can see, in silver and black anodized finishes. We also have the option for these side plates to be replaced. So if your vehicle has a line lock or a trans brake function that's available with your factory gearbox, you can also add a plate such as this. This is the dual button. We also have a single button where you can run an on and off button or a momentary button for any function that you deem fit for your application. All right, folks, now you know all about the bank shift attack OEM range. You can check them out at your local distributor, a quality retail outlet, or online at aeroflowperformance.com.